Yes, so Oga Madam, una well done. Oh. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening for wherever una day. This na Naija economy gist, so they break down how our government policies and even CBN policies they take affect your pocket. I be your guy, Dr. Toves, and I they bring you the money matter. Today, I they bring you gist about waiting fish shake our Naija economy. Today, we'll talk about something where they touch everybody belly. Money. Money, you already know. Money matter HQ. Okay. Now, I see news where they talk say our GDP per capita don't fall yakata. Make I explain that for now. We know to sabi oyibo like that. Imagine say Naija get money where they want share to everybody. That amount of money where each person will collect now waiting they call GDP per capita. GDP per capita now waiting they use they determine which country be rich country or poor country. Okay, which one be middle income country, which one be low income country, because if they say they want to share all of the money where the country make, how much each person could get. Okay, so that's now GDP per capita. And now that money don't reduce, that money don't fall. Okay, according to news where I see for Central News Africa, our GDP per capita don't drop from $877 to $835. So we don't short $42. Think of convert that $42 for your mind. Okay, that not serious money. That not serious drop. So they say na IMF, you know those people where they give loan and advice for money matter, na them talk they predict saying the way Nigeria economy they set up, maybe things feel better for 2026, 2027, and 2028. And by that time, that drop, that GDP per capita we don't drop to 835, go increase, reach $1,040 in the next 3 years. My brothers and my sisters, make we not forget the countries where we dey. Make we not forget how they take the mishandle and misappropriate funds. How something we don't drop to this year go increase by almost $200 between the next 3 years. Now, why did they call it prediction? Because they forecast. They will put some things together to say if everything they all right, now waiting it go be. So make we not just put hope. Say our money go increase automatically by 2028, because hope no the bellyful person. Okay, we don't hear this kind of talk before. By 2020 something we are going to do this. By 2020 we don't hear this one before. No be small thing. Our president don't tell us say pain, temporary pain for long-term gain. So when that long term, they no put date for that long term. Our temporary, we don't know. Okay, so now waiting this drop. Waiting this change, GDP per capita mean for you, waiting it mean for me, waiting it mean for all Nigerian people, waiting it mean for our pocket. It may say things go there harder. It may say price of food could cost even more. It may say transportation, how much they pay for transport could even cost more. It may say even the small enjoyment where they try and manage, if it disappear. Because if the money where the country they make per person they reduce, it go affect how much government they spend. It go affect how much businesses they grow, and finally go affect how much money they your pocket, because you don't get money like that again. By the time all the politicians collect their salary, by the time all the government officials collect their salary, waiting remain. So things go there harder and harder and harder. So inflation actually go fee go up. Prices in general go fee go up. Even if they increase salary, the value of the money go there useless. It means the dollar go continue to go up. Go to suffer. When things go change, now waiting that they ask since when them born me, and I don't grow. They get gray beer, they get white beer. I see they ask when things go change. Okay, right. But this not serious matter. We guys they ask our leaders question. Waiting that they do to make sure say our economy they grow. Waiting that they do to make sure say we know they always they collect loan. Everything, any money we they spend, loan. We don't join BRICS for loan. Paris Accord, loan. IMF, loan. World Bank, loan. USAID, loan. When we go start to produce our own things where we go sell to the world, instead of we just depend on oil. Then go take we try build refinery so that it go produce for us. They don't even they supply the guy. The guy don't start to they go import oil from US. So when things go change be the question. So my people, make una not just a fold hand, make una not fold the hand, they look, make una speak up, make una use your voice on social media. If you want to do really anything, when I want to, but make una use your voice, make una demand change. We guys demand better from our leaders, because if we no talk, things no go change. Okay, so my people, as Kano they say, my country people, make una think about waiting I don't talk today. Make una research about yourself. Make una not just think say, okay, this guy they talk rubbish, or this guy don't know what they talk. Make una research about yourself. Make una ask questions. I beg, before una go, or before I go, make una help us press the like button right here for YouTube. Make una subscribe. Make una help us press the like button. Make we grow this channel. And if una fit do us one extra favor, make una follow us for social media, for TikTok, for Instagram, for Facebook, for X, na Naija Economic Gist. Until next time, make una keep una eyes open, make una shine una eyes. This na Dr. Toves, and I'm not telling una the money matter. Peace.